Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Saturday 14th of May. Alright, so first of all, do join the Discord. Okay, the link is in the description. This is the Discord link. Click on this link and you are going to be in. Okay, accept the invitation, and this is the link to the trading course. And if you want to learn about trading, do check out my trading course right over there, and that's the Discord. Alright, so let's go back into the SLP chart right now. So I'm still on the weekly time frame. Nothing is convincing to me that SLP is looking to go to the downside. Okay, now, a very quick comment on this one is going to be that if I remove every single thing out right now, we don't need them, then we're going to talk about the three black crows. So you still have the three black crows, and that is not a good sign. Okay, on a weekly time frame, this is still looking to actually further drop to the downside. Okay, those are three black crows. We talked about three black crows in the history previously before, so you don't need any explanation. But one thing is certain, if I bring back everything, you are still looking to dump to the 341. Okay, now if you by any chance, if you start to cross this yellow trend line and break out of it, that's when an uptrend is potentially going to be started, because you are going to break the downtrend on a weekly time frame. Do you understand that? So right now you really didn't break the downtrend, and yeah, it actually did break it here. It seems like it broke it here, but then it went into the range of the wicks. Okay, the wick up here, the wick up here, and previously what it broke is the body of this moving downtrend, right? But right now it came to the range of the wicks. So the range of the wicks seem like, even if you're going to pull to the upside, maybe go a little bit back to the 87 or the 865, and then from there get rejected and continue to dump to the downside. If things get worse, you're going to see SOP down here at this level. But right now, it's actually safe to say this is your next technical target. And that's actually very, very near. But if Bitcoin decides to go to $20,000, this one can actually come to the 190s as well. But this one is going to be like a drop of 35%. And down here, it's going to be way more 70% drop to the downside. Now, yeah, it keeps getting scary and scary and scary. But once Bitcoin actually does bottom out, we might see something that we never saw before in SLP, and boom, skyrocket to the upside. So that's it for today's update. Let's reach the technical target, and then we're going to talk about the next technical targets, if we go to the upside or we go to the downside. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.